Hello.
Hola peeps. How we doing?
We're doing just okay.
Yeah.
Guess what we are?
Guess? No.
I don't even know what their little tagline is, so I can't even say it.
America's Drive-In.
Yeah. Oh, okay. It's on it.
Again.
Okay. Well, we haven't been lately.
Actually, no, we haven't. Or I haven't.
Shocking. But we haven't. Our day started off kind of icky.
Why is that?
Our washing machine died.
Yeah,
While
it
clothes
did.
were in it.
During the middle of a cycle, it died. Won't turn on. I don't have a multimeter to check it out, so
We're going to get one.
I need to get one. So find out if it's anything serious, major, or just I don't know, whatever.
Just a piece of junk machine.
It's a front loader washer, so I don't think it cleans as well as a regular, you know, the agitator washer.
Yeah.
So the upright or top loader, I guess.
It cleans a little better since Tide reformulated their soaps. But for a while, our clothes were like getting dingy really fast and stuff. And no matter how much bleach you put in it or whatever, they just didn't. Yeah.
Clean as well. So
Yeah.
So we came. Decided to get a Coke and a little something to eat since I haven't eaten all day long.
Me either.
So she hasn't eaten all day long. He just got to eating his cereal. Oh, he's trying to take that roller apart.
You do silly.
Runs a couple more errands we gotta do, and then here's our food.
Yay.
That's it.
Look at my kids' meal.
He's looking at it.
Oh, we got something for him to tear up.
Uh-oh.
We got another one of these monsters. It's with
Oh.
the Scooby-Doo. The Scooby-Doo. I guess
The Wacky Pack toy?
Yeah, it's a Wacky Pack toy. But see, it's ugly. It's so ugly.
We're gonna have a video of them fighting later on.
But it's a really ugly little thing. We made it to Best Buy, and Cruz hands me this. Oh, did you guys see that? He's like, he wants down.
Oh my gosh.
It's in like two pieces, and there's like another piece to it.
Yeah, there's the torso.
This is the bottom jaw.
And the arm.
Yeah, it's so funny. He wants down. Onda, it means want down. Do you see on the dash? Those are headless lizards. From the Scooby-Doo toys.
Let me find the head.
That's the jaws.
Lizards.
So there's our complete lizards. Snap. Doop. Chrissy said doop.
Bye-bye.
Daddy's fixing your lizards. So you can tear them apart again.
Oops. Look.
He likes that.
Uno, dos. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Should we get it? Here. Okay, you do it. Here. Use the other one. Here. Look.
Oh, shit. We decided to wait and go back to Best Buy later on tonight so we could run over to Lowe's because it's getting late and they're about to close. And we need to get that, what's that thing called?
Multimeter.
A multimeter. So to check and see what's going on with our washing machine. So
we can decide whether we need to buy a new one or maybe just buy a part.
And Cruz is working the knobs so we can go in. Okay, turn the truck off. Turn the pickup off.
No, this one. Here, turn truck. Good,
Awesome.
Right there.
Just saw Chick-fil-A and he goes, "Ga? Cruzy? Ga? Cruzy?" It's so cute. No, but
You don't understand that it's closed.
yeah, Chick-fil-A's closed today. I don't think Ramon liked the multimeters at the Lowe's. It's not the one you wanted or something, right?
Well, I can find auto ranging multimeters a little cheaper someplace else. Well, I really wasn't looking to pay $55 for a meter or more. So
Yeah, one was $114.
yeah, so I'm gonna
Oh my
find it
gosh.
cheaper.
Sorry about all the bumps. So we're going back to Best Buy. You guys are just shopping with us today. We're going shopping, but we haven't been all that great about filming. I'm sorry. We get in there and we're, why didn't we do that? Why didn't we do that? But we've been looking at washing machines too, just to see how much they are. And I think we like the Whirlpool Cabrio. And they have a couple of different ones, but we just found some at Lowe's that the same line at Lowe's. And one was the washing machine was 5.3 cubic feet. Is that what it's
Yes,
called?
and the dryer was 8.8, so it's much bigger than what we saw over at
Best Buy.
Best Buy. That's what it was.
Yeah, it was a size up. So, and it's like not even, I think it's $80 more per machine. So I would like to have the washer and the dryer. And so I think we're gonna try to fix our washer and dryer. We really like those Whirlpool Cabrio, and I think those are the ones my uncle said that were really good. That brand was really good washer and dryers. So, but I don't want another LG. Long story short, we're going to Best Buy again. I kind of like buy and pick it up at the store, but sometimes you just need to look at stuff too. So
Sometimes you just have to hold it and examine it
because his hands are larger, so he needs to make sure that the camera will fit well in his hands too. We are on our way to, did you see that wreck back there? Yeah, I guess that was in front of Sonic. I didn't see it. We came after the fact, but I was like, ooh, that looked like a pretty bad one. Anyway, we're on our way to meet Ramon. I got Quizzy his french fries at Sonic because, he always, we don't always get them. I bet you guys think we always get them, but we got in the car and Ramon called because we're gonna go get a multimeter tool thing. I think that's what it's called, because we were looking for it the other day on Sunday, and he couldn't really find the one that he wanted, and he likes this brand. I think it's called Innova, and so the one that he wanted is not like on the higher end. It's just you know, they're mid-grade, I guess. But because he doesn't use it all the time, he just uses it on occasion. But it's really handy to have. And so anyway, he couldn't find it what he wanted. So we're going to Northern Tool, and we're going to just get one, an inexpensive one for right now. And then we're gonna order, because we need it like right now. And so we're gonna like order the one that he needs. Anyway, it's kind of a pain because right now our washing machine's broke, so I'm having to wash some of our necessities or some of the laundry in the bathtub, which is fine, and then just put it in the dryer. The only thing is, you know, the clothes don't get wrung out, or I can't wring them out as much as like the washing machine can, you know, gets most of the water out. So, and you know, I guess we can rent a washer and for a week or two, but I don't know, we don't really know what's wrong with it. It's a front loader, it's an LG. Oh my goodness, this person is like straddling the lane in front of me. I don't even know what they're doing. I couldn't even tell. She looked like she's scared to death to be driving here in San Antonio. So it might be a good thing that she's scared to death, because some of the drivers are a little crazy. But anyway, yeah, I'm having to like wring out the laundry and stuff and then put it in a dryer, and I'm having to dry it a couple times because I can't you know, get as much water out as the washing machine can. So, but we don't know what's wrong with it. So it's just kind of been like one of those like weeks where you are doing a lot, but you're not really doing anything that's really interesting. So that's why I haven't put up a video in the last couple of days, because just us running around trying to find a multi-tool. And then yesterday we went to the mall and all that kind of stuff. I really don't like going this long in between putting something up, but I guess life happens, and you know, gotta do what you gotta do. To get the mail. Well, probably no mail, but we're getting into our empty box.
We're gonna unlock our box.
We're gonna
do.
We're gonna what?
Unlock our box.
Yeah, that's about it. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Bye bye. Took him to the park so he could just run some energy out. Hi! Hey, they're neon.
That's okay. You're okay. You gotta fall every once in a while.
Okay, let's go again.